Hello, my name is Rainer Hanekamp. This is Engine News with the latest updates from the Angular community every week. Frontend Nation did an Angular day with different talks, but also a panel discussion where next to Alain Chautard, there have also been members from the Angular team, namely Jeremy Elbourn, Jessica Janinuk, and Sarah Drasner. Although Sarah is not directly a member of the Angular team, but she's part of the leadership above it. Surprisingly, one of the main topics was about testing. Jeremy confirmed that the web test runner is going to replace Karma, but the team still has to decide if they're going to support Jest or Vitest as the second framework.
We're looking into right now. We might have a decision by V20, but I don't know if we will actually be able to do the necessary programming work to enact that decision by the time we get to V20.
Another noteworthy takeaway came from Sarah, where she addressed a common misconception that Google does not use Angular internally.
I think the biggest one is that Google doesn't use Angular. It is the most used framework at Google. It supports the largest application, which is Pantheon.
Meanwhile, the RFC for the resource function has been closed, with final remarks from their authors, Alex Rickapo and Pavel Kozlovsky. The resource functions are there to derive a signal based on an asynchronous function. We have resource as the low-level basic function, then Rx resource, which supports RxJS, and HTTP resource for HTTP requests. As an outcome of the RFC, the API is going to change. The request property will be renamed, very likely to params, and ResourceStatus will become a union type, especially for the HTTP resource. There is a demand to support mutation, so that means we also want to be able to change data. But that is a topic for the future. The resource function will keep its experimental status in Angular 20, but I think compared to the changes we have right now, the API will be much more stable. In other news, Connie Leung started an article series about all the upcoming changes in Angular 20. And Vyacheslav Borodin has written quite a good and also advanced article about directives in general. And that's it. I wish you a nice week. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.